औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। फ्रेंड्स, आज हम जो वीडियो बनाने जा रहे हैं ये इकनॉमिक्स के ऊपर ही है, लेकिन इसका जो बेसिक टॉपिक है ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो है ना, हमारी इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो हमारी इकोनॉमिकली काम कर रही हैं कंट्रीज़ के लिए, तो ये उसके ऊपर है। तो वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। The FAO comes into the formal being in 1945 with the signing of the Constitution at a conference held in Quebec City. Which of the following does not match? International Fund for Agricultural Development, Geneva. Where is the Central Secretariat of the Association of the Southeast Asian Nations located? Jakarta. How many countries are the member of the European Economic Community? 12. When was the World Bank Special Program of the Assistance for Indebted Low-Income Countries initiated? December 1987. Which one of the following is not a function of the IMF to promote the development of the background countries? An affiliate of the World Bank, the International Finance Corporation became effective in 1956. The main function of IFC is to encourage the growth of the productive private enterprise in less developed countries, member countries. The aim of the ASEAN is to accelerate the economic and the social progress and maintain the stability in the region. When was it formed? 1967. Identify one of the new member of the European Economic Community. Spain. Which country is the OPEC largest oil exporting? Saudi Arabia. When was the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries formed to control the production and the pricing of the crude oil? 1960. The IMF Institute conducts courses covering a wide spectrum of the subjects in the financial analysis and policy making for officials from members in the Washington. When was it established? 1964. The International Bank for the Reconstruction and the Development, IBRD, known as the World Bank, began its operation in 1946. Which financial institution is known as the soft loan window, from which underdeveloped countries can borrow in hard currencies? IDA. How many countries are member of the ASEAN? 6. In which year did the European Economic Community, popularly known as the European Common Market, come into existence? 1958. The headquarters of which of the following organizations are located at the Vienna? OPEC. The IMF approves the creation of a given amount of the new SDRs. These SDRs are distributed among the participating countries on the basis of their quotas in the IMF. The main function of the World Bank is to encourage capital investment for the reconstruction and development of its member countries. The main function of the IDA is to make loans to less developed countries to flexible terms. The International Fund for the Agricultural Development is a $1 billion fund used for the raising food production in developed countries and providing employment to the poor and landless farmers. What proportion of this fund has been contributed by the industrialized nations? 60%. Which one of the following countries attend the sessions of Council for Mutual Economic Assistance as an observer? Mexico. The International Air Transport Association, IATA, aims to promote the safe, regular and economic air transport and to provide a forum for collaboration. When was it founded? 1945. Which of the following currencies is at present not included in the evaluation of the SDRs? Dinar. At what rate of the interest does the World Bank provide a loan to underdeveloped countries? 5.50%. An international conference was held in the Geneva is 1947 to consider the matter relating to the common trade and the tariff policy, which lead to the establishment of the General Agreement on the Tariff and Trade (GATT). In the following years, how many countries attended this conference? 23. When was the International Fund for the Agricultural Development set up? 1977. The headquarters of the Council for Mutual Economic Assistance are located at Moscow. How many international airlines are active members of IATA? 40. In 1947, the IMF changed the basis of the valuation of the SDRs by calculating the value of SDRs from a basket of the currencies of the several major countries. What was the number of the currencies included in the valuation of the SDRs in 1947? 16. The highest percentage of the World Bank's total loans have been made for the development of energy. Where are the headquarters of the General Agreement on the Tariff and Trade Organization, Geneva? The International Fund for the Agricultural Development has its headquarters in Rome. When was the Council for the Mutual Economic Assistance founded? With the object of the coordinating and integrating the economies of the member countries. 1949. Which of the following is not a member country of the G7 group of the 7 advanced industrial nations? USSR. Where are the headquarters of the International Labour Organization, ILO? Geneva. The World Bank normally gives medium and long-term loans. There have been a series of round of negotiations between the signatories of the GATT designed to reduce trade barriers on the multilateral basis. The first round took place in 1947, which round come to be known as the Candy Round. 6th. When was the Council of the Europe, which aimed to protect and promote economic and the social progress of its members, set up? 1949. How many countries joined together to form the European Free Trade Association with a view to ultimately establish a free trade area between the member countries? 7. Which of the following organization was brought into existence by Treaty of Rome? European Economic Community. When was the ILO established as an autonomous part of the League of Nations? 1919. In which of the following words does the World Bank give loan to members? All of them. By granting or practicing in direct loans out of its own funds, by granting loans out of funds raised in the market, by granting loans made by the private investors through investment channels. When was the Uruguay round of the multilateral trade negotiation under the GATT launched? September 86. Where are the headquarters of the Council of the Europe? Strasbourg. 2 founder members of the European Free Trade Association left in 1972 to join the EEC, Denmark. How many regional economic commissions have been set up by United Nations Economic and the Social Council? 5. In which year was the ILO awarded the Nobel Peace Prize? 1969. How many governments have contributed to the capital of the World Bank? 154. Including the Uruguay round, how many multilateral trade negotiations have been held in the GATT 2 8. 2 organizations were conceived at the Bretton Woods conference held in 1944. One was the IBRD, which was the other IMF. Where are the headquarters of the EFTA located? Brussels. How many member states are represented in the United Nations Economic and the Social Council? 54. Which is the oldest organization among? ILO, International Labour Organization. In which year was the Asian Development Bank, ADB, set up? The following recommendation of the United Nations